New images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have recently surfaced, offering a more detailed and high-quality view of its design. These images, produced through a collaboration between Technazo Concept and Rotor Super, showcase a phone that bears a striking resemblance to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Notably, the new model features a robust titanium frame with a brushed metal finish. Changes in the phone's design include less rounded buttons and a slightly flattened screen with a minimal curvature at the glass metal junction. The S Pen, matching the phone's color, exhibits alterations, and the loudspeaker adopts a new slot-like opening rather than the previous grid-like design. Moreover, smart pricks and on-leaks have revealed the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra using 3D CAD renders, noting similarities with its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone maintains a square design with sharp corners and a slight side curve, differing from the flat sides of the S24. The reported 6.8-inch flat screen and dimensions of 162.3, 79 x 8.7 mm indicate a shorter yet wider profile compared to the S23 Ultra. On the rear, there are 4 cameras, including a periscope-like lens to enhance zoom capabilities. Anticipations for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera setup include a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Notably, there might not be a 10x optical zoom lens in this model. The phone is expected to feature an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. The 360-degree video reveals the presence of a USB Type-C port, microphone, loudspeaker, and a slot for the SIM card at the bottom. On the right side, alongside the power and volume buttons, there might be a U to B or M-Wave 5G antenna. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.